Hey, what's up guys? Is your mechanical keyboard dirty like mine? No worries, because in today's video, I'll teach you guys how to clean your mechanical keyboard. So this over here is my keyboard and I've had it for 5 years now. As you can see, it has a lot of dust and hairs and you can tell that it hasn't been cleaned for a while. Before we actually start cleaning, we should take a picture of the keyboard with all the keycaps so later we will not have a hard time reassembling our keyboard. Now, let's start disassembling our keyboard by gently removing the keycaps. Now, let's remove the final keycaps. After removing the keycaps, let's start cleaning them by adding a little bit of dishwashing soap and warm water to a bowl or a plastic container. Afterwards, put all of the keycaps into the bowl or plastic container and give them a mix. After mixing them around, make sure to rinse all of the soap out. Once they are fully rinsed, put them on a towel and leave them there for a few hours so they will dry up. While waiting for the keycaps to dry, you can start cleaning the keyboard itself by gently wiping the dust and hairs off with a clean towel. Afterwards, we can use cotton buds to clean the tight spaces in the keyboard. Once all of the keycaps are dry, you can now reassemble your keyboard and it will be as good as new. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.